Hey guys, what's going on? It's Gone in 60 here. I have an awesome video for you guys today. I'm doing some 0 to 60 runs in my Dodge Challenger Scat Pack, and frankly, I'm beating the crap out of the car. It gets sideways, I smoke the tires, I go very fast in it, and I just want to make amazing content for you guys. So let me know how you guys like today's video. Give it a like, give it a thumbs up if you like it. Make sure and subscribe to the channel. And you guys are in for a treat today, I promise you. So, on the 0 to 60 runs I did, just for note, I didn't do launch control. And I know when you're doing runs like 0 to 60, it depends on the street and everything. So the best I've ever gotten in my car is 4.7. I wasn't overly happy with the results I got during today's test, but let me know in the comments what you guys think. Give me your guys' best times that you've gotten in 0 to 60, whether you have an SXT, whether you have an RT, Scat Pack, Hellcat, Mustang, Camaro, I don't care. Would love to hear it. And you guys are awesome, and we'll jump into today's video. Okay, one thing I want you guys to listen for is the whistle of my engine. Ever since I installed the Hellcat airbox, it makes this awesome whistle sound when the car is idling. Okay, straight. Okay, I don't think there's a better sound than hearing a muscle car just shift through the gears as it goes down the road. I just love the long throws, just the long echoes, and notice I grabbed rubber in first, second, and third gear.